Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you through the process of controlling any Android device from your computer using either a USB cable or a Wi-Fi connection. This method will allow you to mirror your Android screen onto your PC and control it seamlessly using your mouse and keyboard. To accomplish this, we will be using a free and open source tool called Scrcpy. Scrcpy provides a high-performance and low-latency way to mirror and control your Android device without requiring root access. It is available for Windows, macOS, and Linux. Before we start, you need to download the latest version of Scrcpy from its official GitHub page. Additionally, your PC must have ADB Android Debug Bridge drivers installed. ADB allows communication between your computer and Android device, enabling features like debugging and file transfers. To install ADB, download the SDK platform tools for Windows from the official Android developer website. Once the download is complete, extract the zip files to a convenient location on your computer. After extracting the Scrcpy zip file, open the folder and copy all its contents. Then, navigate to the Extracted Platform Tools folder and paste the copied files there. If you are prompted to replace duplicate files, confirm the replacement. This step ensures that all necessary files are in one location for easy access. Now, connect your Android device to your computer using a USB cable. Once the connection is established, check your phone's USB settings and select the File Transfer mode to enable data exchange between your device and PC. To allow your PC to control your Android device, you need to enable USB debugging. Follow these steps. Open the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down and tap on About Phone. Locate the build number and tap it 7 times in quick succession. This action will unlock developer options. Go back to the Settings menu, find Developer Options and enable USB debugging. Next, on your PC, navigate to the Platform Tools folder. Hold down the Shift key and right-click inside the folder. Select Open PowerShell window here or Open Command Prompt here, depending on your Windows version. In the PowerShell or Command Prompt window, type the following command and press Enter. /ADB devices. If everything is set up correctly, your Android device will appear in the list of connected devices. Now, run the Scrcpy application file from the Platform Tools folder. Your phone's screen should now be visible on your computer. You can use your mouse and keyboard to navigate, open apps, type messages, and even play mobile games. Scrcpy also supports automatic screen orientation adjustment. If you open an app that runs in landscape mode, the Scrcpy window will rotate accordingly. You can resize the mirrored window by dragging its corners, making it more comfortable for different use cases. While a USB connection provides a stable and low-latency experience, sometimes a wireless connection is more convenient, especially for presentations, gaming, or remote management. Scrcpy also supports wireless mode via Wi-Fi with just a few additional steps. Ensure that your Android device and PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Keep the USB connection active for the initial setup. On your phone, open the Wi-Fi settings and find your device's IP address. Note this down for later use. On your PC, open the PowerShell or Command Prompt window again and enter the following commands one by one. /ADB TCPIP 5555. /ADB Connect, your device IP, 5555 replace, your device IP, with the actual IP address of your Android phone. If the connection is successful, you can now disconnect the USB cable. Run the Scrcpy application again. This time, your Android screen should appear wirelessly on your PC. Since Scrcpy is lightweight and does not require installation, it is an excellent tool for developers, content creators, and everyday users who want better interaction between their PC and Android devices. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you found this guide useful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Thanks for watching.